You don't need $10,000 to start. You need your first $100, and I'm about to show you exactly how to get it. In the next few minutes, I'll break down 5 real ways people are turning small effort into their first $100. No fake screenshots, no get-rich-quick nonsense. Just simple beginner-friendly methods that actually work in 2026. And in the second half, I'll show you 5 ways to turn that first $100 into passive income money that keeps coming even while you sleep. Stick around till the end, because way number 5 is the one most people skip, and it's the most powerful one. Let's get into it. Here's how to make your first $100 starting right now. Way number 1, sell a skill you already have today. Writing, editing photos, basic design voiceovers, even typing fast platforms like Fiverr and Upwork will pay for it. Create one simple gig, something specific like I'll write a 300-word product description for $10. 10 of those gigs, and you've already hit your first $100. The trick is speed, not perfection. Your first client doesn't need you to be an expert. They need the job done. Set up your profile in the next hour, list one clear service, and send 5 pitches before you go to bed tonight. That's it. That's the whole strategy, small, fast, specific. Way number 2, sell something you already own but never use. Old clothes, unused electronics, books, even that gaming console collecting dust, it's worth real money to someone else. Marketplace apps make this almost instant. Snap a photo, write a price, and post it today. 5 items at $20 each is your first 100, and most people have way more than 5 things to sell. Price it to sell fast, not to maximize every last dollar. Speed matters more than squeezing out extra cents. Take clear photos in good light, that alone can double how fast something sells. Way number 3, stack small online tasks that pay in minutes, not weeks. Things like testing websites, transcribing short audio clips, or completing simple data tasks online. Each task might only pay $1 or $2, but do this for an hour a day, and it adds up fast. This is perfect if you've got downtime waiting for a bus on your lunch break before bed. Pick 2 or 3 legit platforms, stick with them for a week, and track how much you're earning per hour. Once you find the one that pays best for your time, double down on it. Way number 4, offer a simple local service in your own neighborhood. Dog walking, lawn mowing, car washing, or helping someone move boxes. Real people pay real cash for this. Print a few flyers, post in a local community group, or just knock on doors. This can pay out the very same day. Charge a fair price for your time, $20 for a dog walk, $30 for mowing a lawn. 5 small jobs like this, and your first $100 is already in your pocket, sometimes within 24 hours. This method works especially well if you're under 18 and can't use most freelance platforms yet. Way number 5, buy low, flip high. Check thrift stores, garage sales, or clearance sections for items that are underpriced. Clean it up, take a good photo, and resell it online for 2 or 3 times what you paid. A $5 item that sells for $20 is a $15 profit. Do that 7 times, and you've made your $100. This one takes a bit more patience, but it teaches you a skill that pays off for years. Spotting value. That's 5 real ways to hit your first $100. But now let's talk about making that money work for you, even while you're not. Passive income doesn't mean do nothing. It means do the work once, get paid over and over. Here are 5 simple ways to turn your first $100 into money that keeps showing up. Let's start with number 1. Passive way. Number 1, put your $100 into a high-yield savings account. It's not exciting, but it's the safest first step. Your money earns interest just for sitting there. It won't make you rich, but it's completely hands-off. Set it up once, forget about it. Think of it as the foundation, the safe base, your other passive income ideas can grow from. Passive way number 2, put part of your $100 into a dividend-paying investment fund. Some companies share their profits with people who own a small piece of them. That's a dividend. You don't need to be an expert. Many beginner apps let you start with just a few dollars. It's slow, it's steady, and over time those small payouts start showing up on their own. This is the closest thing to true money while you sleep, but it takes patience to build up. Passive way number 3, turn your first $100 into a simple digital product. A template, a checklist, a short guide, something you make once and sell forever. Use part of your $100 for a simple website or store page and list your product for sale. Every sale after that requires 0 extra work from you. The product just sits there and sells. This is one of the purest forms of passive income. You do the work one time and it pays you on repeat. Passive way number 4, rent out something you already own. a spare room, a parking spot, a camera, even your car when you're not using it. Someone else pays you to use what's already sitting idle in your life. List it once on the right platform, set your price, and let bookings come in on their own. You checked your phone, saw a notification, and just made money from something you weren't even using.